In this video, I'm going over how you can open a new drawing in AutoCAD. The easiest way is to click on the New button. If you click on this, you will go straight into one of our template files, and it will open up a basic one. From that same location, let me close this. You can also hit the little plus button right here, and that will start a new drawing for you. While you're in AutoCAD, you can use this little sheet of paper up here that will start a new drawing while you're already in AutoCAD, and a little dialog box will pop up and it'll give you an option to pick a default file, which is our acad.dwt. That's a template file that we use. So that's one way of doing that. You can also go under File and you can go to New. That's another way. And once again, it's looking for the template file. You can also hit the plus button from right here, and it will just immediately open up that DWT file. And you can always go to the command line and type in the word New, and it will then prompt you for the template file as well. So if you notice, there are two ways that you don't have to select the DWT file, and that is clicking the plus button right here, or from your start menu, clicking the New button right there. They're automatically going to open up the DWT file.